Plumbers replaced a line in an area I was considering for a vegetable garden. Now the area has light brown sandy clay on top. Will this different soil sustain a vegetable garden? And this is Michael from Cincinnati, Ohio. So what do you think about that one, Mr. D? So yeah, the plumbers say you got to move that now. And so they have this, this clay that's up there, right? Light brown sandy clay. What would you do?
It probably maybe. I guess we'll say maybe. You can do it. You might want to do a quick soil test on that, but it's definitely different, And you see this in farmer fields, where especially in areas where the rivers flood and they wash sand in, and you have sandy spots, and it doesn't do as well. It dries out faster. What I would probably do is get in there with a tiller and try to really mix this up and spread it out and try to kind of mix it in the soil. These are all natural components of soil, and they are all valuable natural components of soil. Clay, very important for water holding capacity. Sand, very important for drainage. To get the water out of there. Perfect combination, right? So all of these are, the light brown sandy clay on top that's probably got loess and silt, sand, and clay, the components of soil.
Components, right, yeah.
And I'd probably just try to mix it up and spread it out a little bit, and then I'd probably do a quick soil test but
I would agree with that.
I think you're probably going to be all right.
I think it might be all right. I would definitely agree with everything that you just said. I would probably add some compost if you just have some compost.
Some organic matter.
Organic matter.
Yeah.
I'll add some of that in there. Maybe some, manure. Yeah, like you said, get it mixed up pretty good, but I think it'd be fine. Because again, you're right. I'm looking at this. You have sandy clay. Yeah. No. Sounds good to me.
Probably going to be all right.
I think it'd be all right.
Because your feeder roots they're not just going to be up there on top. They're going to be spreading out, and they're going to find, they're going to go out searching for kind of what they need.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.